The Honeywell thermostat can malfunction due to several common issues, including poor power connection, incorrect settings, and poor location. To address these problems, it is essential to start by checking the power supply. If the thermostat is battery-powered, replacing the batteries is a straightforward solution. For smart models, inspecting the wiring to ensure that all wires are securely attached is crucial. Additionally, verifying that the circuit breakers are on and the door on the HVAC system is closed is necessary. For the display to function properly, setting the thermostat correctly is also vital. This involves selecting the desired temperature settings, such as heat for warmth or cool for cooling. If the thermostat fails to respond to these settings, it may be necessary to contact a technician. Furthermore, relocating the thermostat to a better location, away from direct sunlight and dirt, can help improve its functionality and extend the lifespan of the HVAC system. Regular cleaning can also contribute to accurate temperature readings. By taking these steps, many common issues with the Honeywell thermostat can be resolved, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency.